Hi, I'd like to tell you about this solar light that is incredibly easy to use. The company sent this to me so that I could use it and then tell you all about it. So let me show you a couple of features about this. I'm actually very excited because we've got lights in our backyard, but there are just a couple of areas that are a little more shaded than I would like. And so I'm going to use this because it's so versatile to do that. So there are some screw holes here, and it does come with screws if you wanted to mount it to your house or a fence or something like that. I am going to use this clip, which is what makes it so dang easy. So a couple of things about it. This is the LED panel. This is the motion sensor spot. So it is a motion sensor solar light. And then this is the solar panel that absorbs the sunlight and charges the battery so you've got light. And then there is a white button here, and you got 3 different modes, and depending on what you want it to do, like if you want it to automatically come on at night when it gets dark, how bright you want it, all of that, that's how you'll cycle through. So you can 1, 2, 3. Sorry, hopefully I didn't blind you. So let's go use this. Okay, for demonstration purposes, I'm clipping it on the back of this chair, and we will see tonight how it lights up. Okay, we've got it clipped on the back of the chair. Let's see if it pops on. Very nice. Again, you could clip it on a chair, a fence, a gutter. Looks great. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, and if you'd like to see more product reviews of really cool things, hit subscribe. Thanks.